Exercise page number 96. First question. 36 people were traveling in a bus. There is a bus. 36 people are there. 8 got down at a bus stop and 9 got into the bus. From these 36 people, 8 people are get down. Again, 9 people are get into the bus. So, first 36 minus 8. Take borrow 16. 16 minus 8. 8. 26. Again, to this 28, 9 people were added. 8 plus 9, 17, 7, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 37. Now, there are 37 people. Next, when the bus reached to next stop, 14 people got down and 6 got in. Now, there are 37 people in the bus. 14 people down. 14 people down and 6 people in. Again, 37 minus 14, 7 minus 4, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 23. To this 23 members, again 6 members were added. 3 plus 6, 9, 2. Now, how many people are there in the bus? 29 people. 29 people are there in the bus. Next question. Sudha has 75 rupees. Radha has 19 less than Sudha. How much money does Radha have now? First, Sudha. Sudha have 75 rupees. Radha have 19 less. Radha have 19 less minus 19 rupees. So first, Sudha has 75 rupees. Radha less 19. That means minus 19. 5 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow 15. 15 minus 9. 6. Now 6 is there. 6 minus 1. 5. Radha has 56 rupees. Now how much money do both of them have together? Together they have Radha have 75. Now Sudha have 75. Now Radha have 56. Together how much they have? First, Sudha has 75. Radha has 56. Together plus 5 plus 6 11. 1 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 13. 131 rupees. Together they have 131 rupees. Question number 3. Kumar has rupees 37 and his sister Lata has rupees 56. So how much do they have in all? Together they spend rupees 90 in the market. How much money is left with them? First question. Kumar have 37 rupees. Her sister Lata have 56 rupees. How much do they have in all? Kumar has 37. Lata has 56. Together they have 7 plus 6 13, 3 1 carry, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. Together they have together they have 93 rupees. Now they spent 90 rupees in the market. They spent 90 rupees. How much money they left? Now they have 93 rupees and they spent 90 rupees. So they have 90 rupees, 93 rupees, 50 rupees, 70, 90 and 92, 93, and they spent 90, 50, 70, 90. So easily we can say they have 3 rupees. Now see subtraction. 3 minus 0 3, 9 minus 9 0. They have rupees 3. Next question number 4. In an election, the winner got 273 votes. Winner got 273 votes. Loser got 45 votes less than the winner. 45 less. Winner got 273 and loser got less 45 votes. That means minus 45. 3 minus 5 not possible. Take bar 13. 13 minus 5 8. Now 6 is there. 6 minus 4 2. Again 2. 228. Loser got 228 votes. Now how many votes? Okay, loser got 228 votes. Next question, 5th question. Father purchased a pant and shirt for 349 for his son and a frock for 399 for his daughter. For first for boy shirt 349 rupees and for a daughter a frock 399. First, how much did they purchase? First, pant and shirt. Pant and shirt 349 rupees. Next, frock 399 rupees. Addition 9 plus 9 18, 8 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14, 4 1 carry, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, 748. He spend 748. Now he give 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money will the shopkeeper return? So he gave 1000 rupees note. He gave 1000. He spent 748. Now see 1000 means 1500, 1200, 5 700, 900, again 920, 940, 960, 980, 990, 990, 995, 96, 97, 98, 99,000. That is 1,500, 700, 500, 700, 900, 980, 990, 1,000. Now 748, 500, 200, 700, 720, 740, 745, 46, 47, 48. See, 500, 500, 500, 200, 200, 20, 20, 20, 20, 5, 5, 3 ones, 3 ones. How many are remaining? 200, 220, 240, 250, 251, 252. Total remaining 252. Now see, subtraction. 0 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow. There is also 0. Again take borrow. There is also 0. Take borrow. So this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 2. Now this 0 10 but 1 borrow given, so 9. 9 minus 4 5. Here also 9. 9 minus 7 2. 252. So the shopkeeper returns rupees 252. Next question. A fruit seller purchased 840 bananas on Tuesday. He sold 612 bananas in a week and 18 got spoiled. How many bananas does he have at the end of the week? So first he purchased total 840 bananas. From that 18 got spoiled. That means minus 18. Again he sold 612. So again 612 minus. So first we can do first bananas 840. First he sold 612. That means minus 612. Take borrow. 10 minus 2 8. 3 minus 1 2. 8 minus 6 2. From that 228. From the 228 18 spoiled. So remove that 18 also. 8 minus 8 0. 2 minus 1 1 2. 210. He have 210 bananas at the end of the week. We can solve it in another way. First these two subtraction, add these two. 612 plus 18. 8 plus 2 10 0 1 3 6 630. Now remove this 630 from the total bananas. 840 minus 630. 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 3 1. 8 minus 6 2. 210. In both ways we get the same answer. Next question. Somaya earned rupees 175 and his wife earned rupees 125 on Monday. They spent rupees 25. First they earned 175 and 125. First Somaya earned 175. His wife earned 125. Together they earned 5 plus 5 10 0 1 carry 7 8 9 10 0 again 1 1 plus 1 3 300 together they earned rupees 300. Now from the 300 they spent 25 for rice. 25 for rice, they have 300 rupees. 100 200 300 for rice 25. For vegetables like brinjal, tomato 18 rupees. And 57 for other things. 57 for other things. So first they spent total 25 plus 18 plus 57. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 8 20 0 2 carry 2 to 4 5 5 plus 5 10 100. They earned 300 rupees. They spend 100 rupees. By doing subtraction 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 3 minus 2 1 200. Now how much money did they save? They saved 200 rupees. Eighth question. In a test match, the Indian cricket team scored 517 runs. Lakshman scored 137. David scored 165. First, Lakshman score 137. Dravid scored 165. Together they scored 7 plus 5 12 2 1 carry 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 0 1 carry 1 2 3 300. Together they scored 302 runs. Together they scored 302 runs. How many runs were scored by the rest of the team? First, total score 517 runs, and together they scored 302 runs. So from the total runs, both of the their score removed, you get the remaining team score. 7 minus 2 5, 1 minus 0 1, 5 minus 3 2, 215 runs. The rest of the team scored 215 runs. Ninth question, last question. Rajaya has 348 sheep. So some Rajaya have some sheep. So Rajaya 348. Mallaya have 49 less than Rajaya. To this 49 less. So first Rajaya has 348. 49 less, that means minus 49. 8 minus 9 not possible, so take borrow 18. 18 minus 9 9. Now here 3 there. 3 minus 4 also not possible, so take borrow 13. 13 minus 4 9. Here 2 299. Mallaya has 299 sheep. So now Rajaya over. Next Mallaya 299. Now the number of sheep that Somaya has is equal to the number of sheep that Rajaya and Mallaya have together. So together Rajaya and Mallaya, that equals to Somaya. So first Rajaya has 348. Now Mallaya has 299. Together they have 8 plus 9 17, 7 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 14 4 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 5 6 647. Who? Somaya. Somaya has 647 sheep. How many sheep does Somaya have? This one completed. Now how many sheep do all the three have together? All the three have together. First Rajaya 348. Next Mallaya 299. Next Somaya 647. So all three have together is 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 7 24, 4 to carry, 4 plus 4 8, plus 2 10, plus 9 19, 9 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1294. 1294 shapes. All three have together.